Paano nga ba maging anak ng mayaman? At mas takaw atensyon nga ba kapag nandoon ka sa ganoong estado? Well, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ng isang grupong may sapat at umaapaw na yaman. Pero hindi ito tungkol sa pera. Mayaman sila dahil sa pamilyang nakapaligid sa kanila. Yaman sa pagmamahal, yaman sa atensyon at higit sa lahat, yaman sa talino, disiplina at galing pagdating sa talento. Ang bagong henerasyon na hubog sa ginto, ang Sonara sa ilalim ng gabay at imperyo ng SB19. In the fast-evolving world of P-pop, everyone is looking for the next big thing. But what happens when a group is born under the shadow of giants? This is not just a story of a debut. This is the story of surviving the pressure, breaking the mold, and claiming an identity. This is Umpisahan natin sa simula kung paano nila binuo at hinubog ang konsepto ng grupong ito. Noong una pa lang, hindi nila hinangad ang isang typical o cookie cutter group. From day one, the management spent countless nights redefining what a onesie girl group should represent. They weren't looking for flawless, ready-made performers. Sa katunayan, sa palagay ko, sa casting ng management at creative direction, malinaw ang panuntunan. Hindi sila naghahanap ng perfect members. Ang kailangan nila ay yung open to be coached and willing to improve. SB19 prefers raw talent. They wanted individuals who were hungry, yung mga taong gutom na turuan, passionate and ready to be trained. Musicians who are willing to give their all, literally pouring blood, sweat, and tears into the craft. So from the start, the blueprint was clear. Do not expect a debut that is instantly on the same level as SB19.
I know many things are still under wraps and it's very early in the game, diba? And it's really just the auditioning process currently. But can you tell us about your vision for a successful girl group? Ano yung nakikita nyo na gento siya?
Gento siya. Pero, syempre dapat, I believe that new group will be making waves talaga. Syempre, parang combination siya ng lahat ng minds namin. Syempre kasama na sila. For us, kasi mahalaga talaga yung input ng mga artists. Kasi ako, nanggaling ako sa pagiging artist. Parang, ayoko na...
You're still an artist now.
Yes, I'm still an artist now. Sobrang halaga sa akin ng creative input ko. And if you take that away from me, parang mawawalan ako ng life. Parang ganun siya sa akin. I don't want to... Syempre, magta-train sila for years sa amin. Tapos, parang if they will just parang entrust everything to us. Kumbaga, kuwari, let's say ako, as an artist, in-entrust ko yung buong buhay ko sa isang company nang wala akong input. Tapos nag-fail, parang sobrang heartbreaking nun para sa akin na parang nasayang yung oras ko. So, maganda na merong input yung mga artists pagdating sa anong direction yung gusto nilang mangyari. Nandito kami para tulungan sila. Mahalaga na napapractice nila yung creative output nila pagdating sa kung anong gusto nilang i-share. Kasi ako, for me, this is also an outlet for me. Maganda na i-share ko yung mga ideas ko and yung emotion ko pagdating sa paggawa ng kanta. So, yun yung mga bagay na kino-consider namin palagi pagdating sa pag-build ng personality nitong new girl group na gagawin namin.
You want them to have that artist voice.
Yes.
And that's also always been instrumental in the career of SB19, diba?
Yes, okay.
Na you wanted your own artistic input. And now this is something that you want to carry over with the new girl group, right?
But with the 1Z Entertainment badge comes an invisible, crushing weight. Being the very first girl group formed under the P-pop Kings, SB19 meant the world was watching before they even had an official name. Antindi ng pressure na salubungin ang expectations ng publiko. May takot at kaba kung kaya ba nilang makawala sa anino ng SB19. Dahil ang totoo, kailangan silang makilala sa sarili nilang talento at hindi lang maging anino ng nakatatanda nilang grupo.
I was like, okay, just because like they're affiliated with SB19 doesn't mean that we're going to be easy on them. You know
Right,
what I'm saying?
right.
And if anything, honestly, we have
Oh,
very high
I'm
standards.
way more critical. Oh shit! Wait! We're going back.
Okay, I might be Delululand here.
Okay.
Noipy.
That you're not delusional at all. That is 100%.
And then an emoji too, they do it.
Oh! Everybody else who's not Filipino, pack it the up.
This
Yeah.
is something that I think a niche that P-pop has been missing. All right, initial bias. Tell me who you think my initial bias was.
In here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Obviously.
yeah, obviously. Ah!
Nasty.
Okay, guys, I know mine. They're like, okay, we've got a big reputation and a big name to back up, so we got to
Let's
do
bring
that.
it.
You know what I'm saying?
She's cool.
Very
I'm
stable.
gonna say it every single
Also,
time. She's cool.
She's cool, and this girlie is actually doing a very good job of holding that tension.
What's her name? Eureka. I think that's her name.
I think that might be her. Go with the coolest girl. I think with the short
The
hair and
pixie
shit.
cut, yeah.
And you can't shout. It's not screaming. It's not shouting.
It's tension and holding the right sort of like environment to it.
Which is essentially just modulation to
It
certain.
is. Yeah, the rappers are freaky.
Perfect.
Fantastic. Actually, I think this
Fucking-
is a better take for her.
Yeah, fucking perfect. Perfect. She's
Good
fucking killed
work.
it.
The narrative surrounding them became an unfair trap. Critics and netizens immediately drew comparisons to established girl groups who have been dominating the industry for years. Pumasok ang mga komento online dahil produkto sila ng 1Z. Parang bawal silang magkamali. Umabot pa nga sa punto na may mga kritikong nagsabing wala nang magiging improvement ang Sonara, na hanggang doon na lang ang kaya nila. To be judged so harshly, even an official launch, is heavy cross to bear. But instead of breaking them, it fueled a quiet fire inside the training camp. But if there's one thing about this journey, it's a complete emotional roller coaster. Beneath the massive pressure, there is abundance of pure, chaotic joy. Dito mo makikita ang kulit at saya sa likod ng kamera. Mula sa mga asaran, mga nakakatuwang bloopers sa dance practice, hanggang sa simpleng hatakan para lang gumising sa umaga. Ang Sonara ay pangkat na mga totoong tao na natutong dumaan sa matinding stress gamit ang tawa at biro. But the laughter quickly fades into tears when the reality of training hits. Late night breakdowns and the painful longing for home and family. Katulad ng SB19, dumadating sa kanila ang mga gabi ng pagdududa kung para sa kanila ba talaga ito. Pero dito pumasok ang paalala ng kanilang mga mentor na umiyak ngayon, ngunit iwanan ang lahat ng sakit sa sahig ng studio dahil bukas, tuloy ang laban. We build our own stairs, step by painful step.
Kasi again, we're looking naman for a talent na hindi agad magaling sa umpisa eh. Kasi we want to train eh. Kaya nga siya, there's a process na kailangan namin sila i-train, kailangan namin i-develop yung skills nila. So we're not looking sa sobrang galing agad. Kaya parang wala talaga kaming specific criteria. Though we have guidelines sa hahanaping new artist, pero wala talagang specific na hahanapin. Like, dapat ang score niya 100 sa dancing, 100 sa singing.
Sobrang hirap niya.
Sobrang
Kasi
hirap
parang siyang parang meron kang you're trying to build a big picture. Pero yung puzzle, kumbaga parang jigsaw puzzle, merong mga right pieces. Kumbaga kuwari ito, say, magaling linga siya, pero pareha silang magaling nito. Tapos magkaiba sila ng shape. Hindi mo sila pwedeng pagsamahin. So, kailangan very careful din sa pagkuha ng magiging talents kasi even though meron dyan na parang hindi magaling kumanta, pero sobrang galing niya sumayaw. Tapos ito namang piece na to, magaling siya sumayaw, pero hindi siya ganun kagaling kumanta. So parang
doon parang nagkakaroon siya ng shape na okay, pwede natin siyang pagsamahin kasi kumbaga magkakaroon sila ng connection. Kasi yun yung napansin ko rin sa grupo namin, hindi kami magaling sa lahat noong umpisa. Kumbaga ako, so let's say I have a skill in terms of singing. So, yung skill ko na yun, tinry ko ituro sa mga kagrupo ko.
Yes.
Tapos, yung kwarang si Stel, ang galing niya sumayaw. Tinuruan niya ako. It's also part of their journey na talagang connect with each other para palakasin yung synergy nila nang sa ganun, pag nag-perform sila sa stage, alam mo na parang kaya niya kasulahin or
Yes.
mapagkakatiwalaan ko siya kasi
Yes.
alam mo yun, yung ganong connection. So, hindi talaga kami naghahanap ng, alam mo yun, na parang magaling sa umpisa, magaling sa lahat, magaling sa kung ano. Basta pag nakita namin na may potential, and nakita namin talaga na parang, kasi makikita mo, audition pa lang kahit naman sariling nagpa-perform sila para sa sarili nila, makikita mo na pag gustong-gusto nila yung ginagawa nila. So, ayun, yung ano talaga, yung sparkle, pag nandun siya,
Spark na,
possible siya sa team.
Tuwing nag-uusap po kami ng girls, syempre hindi po talaga kasi mawawala yung pressure. Ever since trainees po kami, talagang tatak po sa utak namin na kailangan ganito kami, kailangan ma-push namin yung sarili namin sa talagang doon. So, yung pressure po, imbis na kainin po kami ng pressure, ginagawa po namin siyang motivation talaga. And totoo po yun na ginagawa talaga namin siyang motivation kasi mahirap po na ibabad yung sarili natin sa negativity. So, instead, ginagawa po namin siyang positive. So, katulad po kanina nag-huddle kami, alam po namin na pag tungtong po namin sa stage, talagang maraming taong nakaabang po sa amin. And we're very grateful for that. Pero yun po yung pressure po na yun, dinadaan po namin sa malulupit na performances. Yes, yun po. Gusto ko po na maalala kami ng mga tao as Sonara, like authentic, true, yun po.
Gusto ko lang pong mag-add on what Ate Yura said po. Pag nakita ng tao yung Sonara, gusto po namin na may naramdaman po sila. Yes po, like vocals and dance and all that po. But gusto ko na pagkita po namin sila, parang may something inside na gumigising po. Po, similarly to what Ella said po, gusto po namin na, of course, to deliver a great, excellent performance. But we want them to see that we were just once little girls who dreamed of this one. So, sobrang grateful po namin. I hope that fire in our hearts translates to our performances po.
Stepping on a stage po already, like, such a big opportunity po and honor for us to perform. So, kahit actually may it be big or small stages po, gagawin po namin talaga yung best namin po. Pero syempre, gusto ko lang po sabihin na may upcoming po kami na event, which is the Pure Gold Con po. So, sana abangan niyo po.
Or more than that din po, ang focus din po talaga ng Sonar is to share the music, share the passion, and hopefully inspire everyone to. So, lahat po ng stage, mall tours, school tours, ganun po.
Then came the ultimate test. Before the official debut launch, 1Z Entertainment made a bold, terrifying move. They placed Sonara on the historic wakas at Simula concert stage. Magpe-perform ang isang pre-debut group sa harap ng mahigit 100,000 tao. Isang malaking sugal na pwedeng magbuo o tuluyang sumira sa kanila. When they step into that massive sea of light, the doubt vanished. They delivered a performance that echoed throughout that area, captivating a crowd that didn't even know their name yet. Grabe, tandang-tanda ko pa kung gaano ako kalakas sumigaw dahil sa Sonara. Nandoon ako at na-witness ko ang lahat kung gaano kalakas ang kanilang aura. Hindi pa doon natapos. Sinundan pa ito ng kanilang pag-perform sa Aurora Music Festival. Libo-libong mga tao at isang malaking entablado. Mga umaapoy na kumpiyansa. Hindi na sila nagtatago sa anino ng iba. Sinisimulan na nilang angkinin ang kanilang sariling spotlight. To the critics who confidently claimed they had no room for improvement, Sonara answered not with loud arguments, but with a masterful undeniable evolution. Pinatunayan ng kanilang kwento na hindi kailangang maging perpekto agad sa simula. Ang mahalaga ay ang pusong handang matuto, magabayan at magbago. Iyan ang tunay na tatak ng 1Z Entertainment vision. They are Sonara. They are not here to copy the past or replicate the success of others. They are here to write their own history, carry their own sound, and connect through their own souls. Kaya sa lahat ng nag-aabang at sumasabay sa kanilang yapak, tabi-tabi lang po dahil ang Sonara ay nagsisimula pa lamang magliyap.